Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we have the practical to determine the osmotic fragility of red blood cells. So it is a test that measures the resistance to the hemolysis of red blood cells when they are exposed to hypotonic solution. RBCs are exposed to series of sodium chloride solution with increasing dilution. The sooner the hemolysis occurs, the greater is the osmotic fragility of red blood cells. We have three types of solution. First is hypertonic solution, then isotonic solution, and then is hypotonic solution. What happened? Isotonic solution is 0.9% sodium chloride solution that is equal to concentration of our body fluids. So when the RBCs are placed in this type of solution, they are not going to go shrinkage or they are not going to burst. They remain in equilibrium with the sodium chloride solution, which is isotonic. While in hypotonic solution, what is going to happen? Outside the RBCs, the sodium chloride concentration is less, while inside the RBCs, the concentration of the solutes are high. So what is going to happen? The fluid is going to move from low concentration to a high concentration. And what in this process, the cells are going to swell up and they are going to burst, release the hemoglobin outside. What is happened to in the hypertonic solution? In hypertonic solution, the concentration of the sodium chloride is more outside as compared to the inside. So the water that is intracellular fluid is going to move outside from intracellular fluid from cell outside into the hypertonic solution, causing the shrinkage of the cells. But we are concerned with this type of solution in this practical, which is hypotonic solution. Apparatus for this practical is that we use the 0.5% saline solution, distilled water, a cotton swab, and syringe or the lancet. So we will make, ideally there are 15 test tubes, but we have performed this practical over 10 test tubes. Girls, are you listening me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have 10 solutions, 10 distilled water, 10 test tubes in a rack. But ideally there are 15 test tubes. So the concentration of the sodium chloride solution is from 0.5% in the one test tube. Then after that, in your journal, the procedure is written that we will create a concentration of 0.48%, then 4.46%, 4.4%, 4.2%, 0.44%, and till it is 0.30%. कि हम कैसे इनको बनाते हैं? We will take 0.5% sodium chloride solution in one test tube, and then we will add in the other test tube 24 drops of sodium chloride 0.5% and 1 drop of distilled water. When we will add 1 drop of distilled water, it will decrease the concentration of sodium chloride solution and it will become 0.48% solution. Until we are, and further we are going to decrease this concentration by adding 2 drops, then 3 drops, 4 drops, 5 drops, until we will add 6 drops, that becomes 0.38%, and after that 0.30% we will ultimately end on 0.30%. ठीक है, so we have these different types of hypotonic solutions. And what is the purpose of this hypotonic solution? That when the RBCs are going to be placed in the hypotonic solution of decreasing concentration, so what is going to happen? The cell fluid will move from hypotonic solution into the RBCs, and the RBCs that are more fragile, they are going to burst first of all, and then ultimately when the concentration has dropped to a critical level 0.33%, then all the RBCs in the sample are going to swell up and they are going to burst and they release hemoglobin outside. So we are going to test the fragility level of RBCs in this practical. If the cells are more fragile, then they are going to burst at more concentration of hypotonic solution, and if they are less fragile, then less fragile, then they will go at concentration of 0.35%, and ultimately they will swell up and they will burst. Okay. I have told you the apparatus: 15 small test tube, wooden rack, lancet, spirit swab, and the reagents. 0.30 to 0.9% at difference of 0.02% concentration. So this is the rack, steel rack or the wooden rack in which the test tubes are placed, and different concentration of sodium chloride solution is present inside the test tubes. Procedure I have told you. सबसे पहले आपने क्या करना है कि आपने ये सॉल्यूशंस प्रिपेयर करने हैं, ठीक है। उसमें क्या करना है, आपने रैक में टेस्ट ट्यूब्स रखनी है और आपने ये 10 टेस्ट ट्यूब्स हैं, आइडियली देयर आर 15 टेस्ट ट्यूब, ठीक है। लेकिन जो इससे 0.5% हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, उससे पहले वाली जो 4 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है ना, 0.6%, 0.7%, 0.8%, 0.9%, ठीक है, उस पर हमारा कोई हेमोलिसिस नहीं होता, तो इसलिए हम उसको स्किप भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम 0.5% सोडियम क्लोराइड कंसंट्रेशन से, ठीक है। उसके अंदर फिर हम डिस्टिल वाटर डालते हैं तो वो कंसंट्रेशन गिर जाती है टू 0.48%, ठीक है। फिर हम फर्दर 2 ड्रॉप्स डालते हैं तो 0.46%, ठीक है। इस तरह हम अल्टीमेटली ड्रॉप्स इंक्रीज करते रहते हैं और 0.5% सोडियम क्लोराइड जो सोल्यूशन है उसके ड्रॉप्स कम करते हैं और डिस्टिल वाटर के ड्रॉप ज्यादा करते हैं टिल वी रीच द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ 0.3%, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले आपने ये टेस्ट ट्यूब रखनी है और उनको लेबल लगा लेना है कि कौन सी कंसंट्रेशंस आपने इस वाली टेस्ट ट्यूब में डालनी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है कि जो सब्जेक्ट की आपको ऑस्मोटिक फ्रेजिलिटी टेस्ट करनी है, उसका आपने ब्लड सैंपल लेना है और ब्लड का एक एक ड्रॉप हर टेस्ट ट्यूब के अंदर डाल देना, ठीक है। देन यू विल प्लेस इंडेक्स फिंगर ओवर दिस टेस्ट ट्यूब ओपनिंग एंड यू विल मिक्स बाय टिल्टिंग द टेस्ट ट्यूब, ठीक है। जब मिक्स करेंगे तो उसमें क्या होगा कि ये सोल्यूशन जो है वो सारा मिक्स हो जाएगा विद ब्लड, ठीक है। देन यू विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम, ठीक है। आफ्टर फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर 20 मिनट्स, some books written 10 to 20 minutes you will wait, and then you will see the level of hemolysis, ठीक है। what will you see in this condition? If in the first test tube the solution is clear, that is 0.5% saline solution, ठीक है। उसके बाद उसमें क्या होता है कि आपके RBCs they are going to settle down and the solution above it is clear. After that 0.48% the solution is clear, then 0.44 and 0.4
बीच का पार्ट क्या है, एक्जिला।
in between these two concentration
बीच का पार्ट है वो क्या शो कर रहा है, वो शो कर रहा है हमारी आर्म को, ओके। तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ पे एक्जिला और यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक क्या हो गया आर्म। अब देखिए इसकी जो भी हमें डायग्राम